Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present my article, which is the title is Ethnobotanical Study of Medicinal Plants Used for Treating Urinary Tract Problems in Eastern Indonesia. The knowledge of medicinal plants had been passed down from generation to generation for its ethnicity. East Indonesia region has special geographical condition compared to other areas. The majority areas are remote areas. Inhabitants of remote areas have a lower interest in healthcare facilities compared to urban areas. Hence, the plants are highly valued as sources of medicine by remote area communities. Urolithiasis is one urinary tract problem that is commonly complained about by communities. Ethnobotanical research has been used to explore local knowledge of medicinal plants as part of its ethnicity's local wisdom, which can then develop into new therapeutic resources. The study is also known as research medicinal plants and herb or dystogia. The study aims to evaluate the use of medicinal plants for treating urinary problems in East Indonesia, including their efficacy and safety based on literature review. The study was conducted in 2012, 2015, and 2017. Located in all regions of Eastern Indonesia, including several provinces such as NTB, NTT, South Sulawesi, Southeast Sulawesi, North Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, Maluku, North Maluku, Papua, and West Papua. An ethnomedicinal survey questionnaire-based descriptive study was used. Areas visited included determining informants using the purposive sampling method based on information from traditional community leaders or the local district health office. The selected informants were well known in the community due to their long practice of providing services related to conventional healthcare. The study was a face-to-face questionnaire. Several plants will be selected. These plants, which were not medicinal plants and unidentified, were excluded. The quantitative analysis was used to determine how important and reliable these plants are for treating urinary tract problems. They are the frequency of citation, use value, choice value, family use value, and informant consensus factor were calculated by using the formula. The study involved 500 informants of 10 provinces in Eastern Indonesia, which consists of NTB, NTT, South Sulawesi, Southeast Sulawesi, North Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, Maluku, North Maluku, Papua, and West Papua. Because of several informants were excluded, a total of 188 informants had knowledge of traditional medicine for treating urinary problems. The characteristic of traditional practitioners of informants can be seen in Table 1. Half of the informants were 31 and 60 years old. There was only 7.9% of traditional practitioners from the younger group. Nearly half of informants had elementary and junior high school education, followed by uneducated or incomplete elementary. And the majority source of knowledge from family members. The family having high FUV were Euphorbiaceae, Malvaceae, and Compositae. The most commonly used plants for treating urinary tract problems were leaves, followed by roots and herbs. The use value was calculated based on informant citation to assess the relative importance of reported medicinal plants. Its value ranged from 0.005 to 0.311. The study characterized that Orthosipon aristatus as the higher use value, followed by Sericoccale crispus, Phyllanthus miruri, and Imparata cylindrica. There were 151 species of plants cited the list. The list of use value of certain species does not imply that it was less efficacy. It might be caused by ignorance of informants about related knowledge or inaccessibility of the plants. The ICF was 0.60 and this factor was classified as moderate. Hence, it signifies an adequate exchange of information about medicinal plants for treating urinary tract problems between informants. The result of the literature study on the 8 most important medicinal plants can be seen in Table 2. They are Orthosipon aristatus, Sericocalyx, Phyllanthus niruri, Imperator cyrillica, Euphorbia hirta, Centella asiatica, Curcuma longa, and Acalypha indica. The conclusion, based on the result, Orthosipon aristatus and Phyllanthus niruri are the most employed medicinal plants for treating urinary tract problems in eastern Indonesia. Their safety and efficacy have been proven by several research. Hence, people far from healthcare facilities can adopt both plants as medication for treating urinary tract problems. That's all my presentation, and thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.